Hello and welcome to English Listening Stories. Have you ever gone shopping for one simple thing and somehow spent much longer than you expected? That's exactly what happens to Emma today. She thinks finding a birthday gift will be easy, but one small decision keeps getting harder and harder. And in the end, that small decision means more than she expected. While you listen, here's a question. What color ribbon does Emma choose for the birthday gift? Listen carefully. The answer is in the story. And when you know it, leave your answer in the comments. It's a great way to practice your English and remember what you hear. Now, let's begin.
Oh, wow. What is it? That reminds me of someone. Really? Who? My cousin Sophie. The one with the birthday tomorrow? Yep, that's her. What does that gift remind you of? It reminds me of a little notebook she had years ago. A notebook? Yeah, she carried it everywhere. What did she write in it? Everything. Ideas, stories, shopping lists, random dots. That sounds like Sophie. It really does. Do you remember anything she wrote? Not much, but she always says she wanted to write a book one day. That's funny. Why? Last month she told me the same thing. Seriously? Yeah, some things never change. It's been a long time since we were kids. It has. We used to spend every summer together. I remember those stories. We were always outside doing something. And now she's turning 26. I know, it's hard to believe. Are you excited about the party? Definitely. The whole family will be there. That's nice. I just want to bring something she'll really like. I'm sure you'll find it. I hope so. Do you already have any ideas? Not really. Nothing at all? Honestly, no. Well, we have plenty of stores. That's true. Let's keep looking. Good idea. We might find the perfect gift today. I hope you're right. Right now, I still have no idea what to buy. Okay, I have 3 ideas now.
That's better than 0. True. So, what do you have?
First, this coffee mug.
That's cute. I like it. Do you like it, or would Sophie like it?
Good question.
Well, I think I like it more. That's what I thought.
Okay, maybe not the mug.
What's the second idea?
This scented candle.
It smells nice, right? Does Sophie use candles?
I'm not sure.
Then maybe not.
Yeah, maybe not.
What's the third one? This picture frame. That's interesting.
What do you think?
I like the idea. Really? Yes, but only if there's a special photo for it.
Oh, good point.
Do you have one? Not with me. Then it might feel unfinished. You're right. Tell me again, what has Sophie been doing lately? She's been very busy. Busy doing what?
She started a new hobby a few months ago. Really?
Yeah, she's always talking about it. That sounds important. It probably is. Maybe the gift should connect to that hobby. Maybe. What kind of things does she enjoy? Creative things. Like what? Writing, drawing, making plans, keeping notes. That sounds familiar. Just like when she was younger. Exactly. You know what? What? I think I've been choosing gifts that I would like. That's easy to do. I wasn't really thinking about Sophie. Well, now you are. Thanks for helping me see that. Anytime. Let's keep looking. Wait a second. What is it? Look over there. That shelf wasn't here last time. Huh. I didn't notice it before. Maybe there's something interesting on it. Let's go see.
Oh, look at this. What did you find? A writing journal. That's nice. It's really nice. Let me see. Here. Wow, the cover looks beautiful. That's what I thought. Do you think Sophie would like it? I think she would. More than the mug? Definitely. More than the candle? Absolutely. Why? Because this feels personal. How so? She still writes all the time. That's true. Last week she showed me a notebook full of ideas. Really? Pages and pages of ideas. That sounds like Sophie. Exactly. What kind of ideas?
Stories, goals, travel plans.
She's always planning something. She really is. This journal fits her.
That's what I'm thinking.
Look inside.
Good idea.
What do you think? The pages are thick. Nice quality.
And there's a pocket in the back.
That's useful.
I think she'd love this.
I think so too.
Wait, what?
Look at the tag. What does it say?
Last one in stock.
Seriously?
Yep.
There's only one left.
Wow.
Good thing we came today.
No kidding.
Imagine coming back tomorrow.
It would probably be gone.
Then don't put it down.
I'm not planning to.
So is this the gift?
I think this might be it.
Just might?
Okay.
Okay, what? I think this is it. There we go.
It feels right.
Sometimes you just know. Yeah.
I wasn't feeling that way about the other gifts.
Neither was I.
I'm glad we kept looking.
Me too.
But what? Does it seem a little plain to you? Plain? Just a little.
Maybe I know what you're thinking.
You probably do.
You're thinking about something.
Am I that obvious?
A little.
I love the journal.
Me too.
But something is missing.
That's exactly what I thought.
Really? Yeah. So it's not just me.
Not at all.
The gift feels right.
But it doesn't feel finished.
Yes, that's it.
Okay, let's think about it.
What could make it better?
Well, how are you giving it to her? At the birthday party? I mean the gift itself.
Oh,
Are you just handing her the journal?
I guess so.
You could,
But
it might feel a little simple. That's what I was worried about. First impressions matter.
they do.
Imagine seeing it on a gift table. It might not stand out. Exactly. What about a gift bag? That's not a bad idea. Maybe a nice one. Maybe. What about wrapping paper? That's better. Better? Yeah, but I still feel like something is missing. You're hard to please today. Maybe a little. Let me ask you this. Okay, what makes a gift feel special to you? That's a good question. Take your time. I think it's the small details. Like what? A handwritten note? That's nice. Or a personal touch. I agree. Something that shows effort. Exactly. Wait, what? Maybe that's what's missing. A personal touch? Yes. Now we're getting somewhere. What if we wrap it nicely? Good idea. And add a ribbon. A ribbon would look great. I think so too. It would make the gift feel more complete. Definitely. The only question now is, which ribbon? Exactly. I didn't think choosing a ribbon would be so important. Sometimes the smallest things make the biggest difference. You might be right. Let's go find the ribbon section and hopefully make one more good decision today.
I didn't know there were so many ribbons.
Neither did I.
Look at all these colors.
This might take a while.
I hope not.
Okay, let's start simple. Good idea. Which one do you like?
I kind of like the red one.
The bright red?
Yeah,
It's nice.
but
It doesn't feel like Sophie.
that's true.
It's a little too bold.
Sophie isn't very bold.
Exactly.
What about this yellow one?
It's cheerful,
It is.
but I'm not sure.
Me neither.
Which one do you like now?
Maybe this green ribbon?
That's interesting.
Why?
It reminds me of her plants.
Oh, that's right.
She loves plants. Her apartment looks like a small garden. It really does. Still, I don't think green is the one. I agree.
Hmm.
Wait,
What?
look at that blue ribbon. The dark blue one? Yes. That's beautiful. It really is. Let me hold it next to the journal. What do you think? Wow. Good wow or bad wow? Definitely good wow. I thought so. The colors work really well together. They do. And blue reminds me of Sophie. Really? Why? We used to spend summers at the lake. Oh, right. Almost every picture from those trips has water in it. That's a nice memory. It is. Does Sophie like blue? She does. That's helpful. Actually, I think it's her favorite color. Well, that makes the decision easier. I think so. Which one do you like? I like this one. The blue ribbon? Yes. Then let's go with blue. Let's go with blue. Are you sure? I'm sure. No more looking around? No more looking around. That's a first today. Very funny. So the journal and the blue ribbon. Yep, that sounds perfect. I think it's perfect too. Great. You know what? What? I was worried about the gift earlier. I remember. Now it finally feels complete. That's a good feeling. It really is. Ready to check out? Almost. Almost? I just remembered something about tomorrow's party. Uh-oh, what is it?
So, what did you suddenly remember? The birthday party starts earlier than I thought. Really? Yeah, Sophie texted me this morning. Good thing you remembered. Good thing we finished shopping today. Exactly. Honestly, I feel much better now. You seem more relaxed. I am. This afternoon worked out pretty well. It really did. When we first got here, you looked completely lost. I was completely lost. That's fair. I had no idea what to buy. And now? Now I can't wait to give her the gift. That's a big change. Definitely. Let's review the day. Sounds good. First, we looked at a bunch of gifts. Way too many gifts. That's true. The mug was nice, but not quite right. The candle smelled great, but you weren't sure about it. Exactly. Then we found the journal, the last one in the store. That was lucky. Very lucky. After that, you started worrying again because something felt missing. Right. The journal needed a personal touch. That's when we started talking about ribbons. And that's when things became surprisingly difficult. I still can't believe how many ribbon colors there were. Me neither. We looked at red, too bold. We looked at yellow, not quite right. We looked at green, close but not perfect. Then we found the blue ribbon, the winner. The winner. I still love that choice. Me too. It reminds me of those summers by the lake. That's what makes it special. Exactly. It's more than a ribbon. It's connected to a memory. And Sophie will probably notice that. I think she will. What do you think she'll say? Probably, you didn't have to do all this. That sounds like her. Then she'll smile and open the gift anyway. I can picture that. Me too. Do you think she'll like the journal? Honestly? Yeah. I think she'll love it. I think so too. Thanks for helping me today. Of course. You asked all the right questions. You found the right gift. Maybe we both did. I'll take that. Deal. So what's next? Tomorrow, the birthday party. And after that, hopefully cake. Now that's a good plan. The best plan. I'm glad we came shopping today. Me too. It was worth it. Definitely worth it. Any final thoughts? Just one. What's that? I came here looking for a gift, and I ended up thinking about a lot of good memories too. That's the best kind of gift. I think you're right. Sophie is lucky to have you.
Thanks. You're welcome. I can't wait for tomorrow.
Great job listening all the way to the end. Before we go, let's look at a few useful expressions from today's story. Good point. Olivia says this when someone shares a useful idea or makes a strong observation. Example from the story. Emma says she doesn't have a special photo for the picture frame. Olivia replies that it might feel unfinished. Emma says, "Good point." That sounds like her. Olivia uses this expression when Emma talks about Sophie filling notebooks with ideas. It means, yes, that matches her personality. Example. Emma says Sophie writes down stories, plans, and ideas. Olivia says, that sounds like her. It was worth it. This expression means the time, effort, or work was a good investment. At the end of the story, Emma feels happy with the journal and the blue ribbon. Olivia says it was worth it because all the time they spent choosing helped them find the perfect gift. Now here's our listening question one more time. What color ribbon did Emma choose for the birthday gift? Write your answer in the comments. Writing your answer helps you practice English and remember the story longer. If you enjoyed today's conversation, please like this video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more slow, natural, and relaxing English listening practice. And if you'd like to support more stories like this, you can also become a channel member. Thank you for spending time with us today. Keep listening, keep learning, and most importantly, enjoy your English journey. See you in the next story.